So today we're gonna use some of that Chile Verde we made. Probably make the best omelet you've ever had. Chile Verde omelet. Take a look at the ingredients. Making an omelet, that's pretty straightforward. You're gonna need some eggs. In fact, I think there's an old parable that says if you're gonna make an omelet, you gotta crack some eggs. That's the way I like to live my life. I'm gonna put some butter in the pan for flavor. I, off camera, reheated some of the Chile Verde that I made. Put it in for 1 minute. And I got some cheese. Let's go. All right, let's crack some of those eggs for this omelet. I'm gonna use 3 eggs for my omelet. It doesn't matter if you're good at cracking eggs. It just matters that you don't get any shell in the eggs. So however you want to do it. Oh no. All right, so I did not put this ingredient in, but rainbow peppercorn for the win. Yeah. Then you just need to beat these. The more you whip them, the more air you introduce, the fluffier your eggs will be. So for making omelets, I really like these Tefal non-stick pans because just nothing sticks to them. You don't need butter on here, but butter tastes amazing. So I like to start off with a little butter. That's good. Let's get us a medium low, like a low. I put mine on 2 up from low, right? That's a pretty low flame. You don't want a lot of heat on an omelet. You want it to set. We're gonna add our eggs. So I think this is a 10-inch skillet or 8-inch skillet, I can't remember. Either one, it's perfect for a 3-egg omelet. Once I get it in there, I'm gonna cover it, and that's gonna help it set. Notice that the edges curl up a little bit. So right now I've just got a little bit that's still liquid. So I'm gonna move the flame over there to help get that going. Now, you might be scared about this, but you can see it's all solid. All you really need to do is move the pan. Like that. Bam. Now, Chile Verde. Oh yeah, look at that. Oh, look at that. That is gonna be fantastic. Let's get some cheese in there. I don't know if there is too much cheese. Do we want to go big? All right, let's go big. Now, we fold it just like that. Oh, that smells so good. I like to top my omelet with a little cheese so it melts down. Mom calls it the sombrero when the cheese melts around it. It gets a crispy edge. Cover it back up and get that cheese melted. Remember, low heat. Once that cheese is thoroughly melted, you're going to turn the burner off and bring it over. Let's plate this. Oh, it's really not that difficult. You don't want to put some of that delicious juice on top of it. Oh, not quite done. One last thing. Can you guess what it is? Rainbow peppercorn. This omelet. First of all, the Chile Verde that we made is out of this world. If you haven't seen that video, check it out. It'll be on the end card. Oh. That's perfect. I mean, think of the omelet as like a tortilla. It's basically a Chile Verde burrito with a lot of cheese. It's so good. Don't forget to do the dishes, and don't forget to put everything back in the refrigerator.